Welcome to my channel.
I hope to die to my lover. I'd never lie. Said be true. I swear I'll try. In the end, it's him and I.
Hey guys, it's Allison. So I know I haven't made a video in so long. I just have been so busy with school. So today is Monday, April 30th, and we have cognitive psych, and we is me and Taylor, my roommates. If you guys haven't watched my other videos. But yeah, so subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next, and like this video. And by the way, if you want like what to bring and what not to bring to college, then request down below, because you know, I learned. I'm gonna be a sophomore soon. So the weather really wants to be bad today. It's cloudy and it's like 53 and it might rain. Right, Tay-Tay?
Oh, the weather outside is frightful.
Oh, it's drizzling now. How was class?
It was so great. It ended so early.
Right now it's like 11 o'clock. We only had an hour of class. We're supposed to be watching something. Didn't want to work early, so he got mad and he was like, yeah, class is ended. So how was the conference?
It was great. I saw Dr. Leg, my fave.
Yep.
And that's it. That was what was great about it. That's it.
We had to walk around, waste time, talk to people about their experiments, their studies.
Get hit by a car.
Yep, we're crossing the street now.
Ah!
Seriously? We're going to the library. She has to print something and it's raining. Great, and it's chilly.
What a chill.
Oh. Look at our hair blowing in the wind. Oh my god, guys, I'm so sorry. We did not vlog. But we were running around. We ate dinner. So it's May 1st. Sorry, I'm heating up pasta. But today I'm going to the library to meet up with my group for computer class, and then later I have an event. How do you feel? I feel hungry.
Yeah, I want rice.
Now it wants to go after I don't want to take a boomerang. Look at that. How do you feel about the event that we just had?
It was great, but I have a headache from ingesting all that powder.
It was going all over, up in our mouths. Sorry. We're going up the stairs to our room. But we're gonna change and we're gonna go eat because we are dirty. So today is May 2nd and it's like 80 something degrees out. I have to go to class soon, so that's why I'm in my room. Actually, I'm doing homework, so homework last minute, yeah. Anyways, but I'm gonna go to public speaking class. We have SU presentations, and yeah, I already did my presentation last week, so I'm all good.
The sky?
Hi.
There's Kathy. Say hi.
Hi.
Bye.
Say hi.
One of your best friends. It really is. I'll always be looking to work with her again. Of course.
Hey. What's up,
Take
guys?
3.
Wait, I don't know.
So it's May 3rd. We just got out of class really early. It was a conversion day, which we had another Wednesday. I'm so confused. My head hurts. It's sunny out. It's like 80 degrees out. What else? Oh yeah, we're gonna do homework outside. Hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
Hey, Tay Tay. Are you doing homework?
really hear you.
Why are you so confused?
I'm not. I'm just focused. Unlike some people.
So me and Taylor got tired of the sun really when we were outside. It was just burning our like skin and stuff. So we're in our lounge right now. We're doing homework, trying to be productive girls out in this summer air. Guys, we're going to the diner. Stop it. Taste it. I'm in Kathy's messy room.
Hey.
So it's May 4th and I'm doing laundry right now, as you can see. So I'm trying to clean out my closet and stuff because my dad is coming on Sunday to pick up my stuff, some of my stuffs. And last week my brother picked up some of my stuff, so I'm trying to like get all the stuff out before the last day. I feel like we have been walking forever, but we haven't even left the school grounds yet.
Literally.
We're literally going on to like non-property anymore, you know? And we have like, how many blocks? 4 long blocks at least, right?
Yep. Accurate.
So, what time is it right now? Check the time.
It is. Oh, 7:57.
Okay, 7:57. We'll get back to you when we get to the diner. What time is it now, Kathy?
It is currently 8:12.
So we did 50 minutes.
This 15?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're right.
We decided to go to Cold Stone. So Kathy, what did you get?
I got a chocolate milkshake with crunch in the inside.
I got cotton candy ice cream. We just finished. Okay, my lips. Don't look at them. But we're going to walk back to school.
Yay!
It's 9 o'clock now.
On the dot. It's
8:57. Guys, we're back on campus.
Back at it again at 9:21. How long was that? 21 minutes?
I
No,
guess.
more
I
than
don't know.
21.
But
25.
we are here. We're here.
Woohoo!
So it is May 5th, and I'm about to go eat lunch with Kathy. It's like 1, almost 2 maybe. I don't know. I'm not sure. I've been just watching Netflix, trying to do homework, but that's not working. So, yeah. We're in the library. Hello. Hello, 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 hello. She's doing
Math.
I'm doing cognitive. Incognito. Walking. 10 o'clock.
A little bit over past time.
Why do I look like one of those mannequin things? So how productive were you right now?
From a scale from like 0 to 10, -5.
I was productive, I guess. I mean, I finished my adolescence to psych paper.
Check.
Now I just have to finish my cognitive psych. But, you know, it'll be done. And I have half of a sandwich. We're going up these stairs.
Dun, dun, dun.
Let's go up. Wow, this lighting though.
Word?
Just kidding.
I'm trying to think of something real quick.
Look at the night over our campus. Look at, wow.
What a lighting
What an
proposal.
overview. It's Sunday, May 6th. We're going to Kathy's room so she can pack.
Yes, I need to do that.
They're coming soon. This is my room next year. Why are you crying?
I'm not crying. It's called allergies.
What a baby.
Yeah. Try OxyClean.
No. What
Get
did the
the
girl
tough
say?
thing
She's
out.
like, you wanna go to?
You want to go to my room later? Yes, I do. How much? How badly?
So we are in one of my lounges in my building. Kathy is with me. I went to go take a shower and wash my hair because it was nasty. So we're here.
How is it over there? Like, we're on
What?
the 3rd floor. The Hershey's Kiss. The windows don't even open. How does that even happen? No, seriously, I want to know. Let me know. When you find out, let me know.
Monday, May. You said 7th, right?
Yes.
We just got out of cognitive again. I feel like that's the only class we had. It's our last few days together.
That's so sad. Just kidding.
We just ate lunch.
Anything in my teeth?
Probably chocolate, mine. Why am I holding this camera like this?
What a sweet.
Update, we're doing homework. Last week is still doing homework, you know. Oh, you were waiting.
For like 10 minutes.
Really?
Where were you, in the library?
Nah. Smells so fresh.
Let's take it in the jungle.
Going to
wild.
the
We're in the
library.
jungle. I'm so sorry.
Imagine all the fries fell on the floor.
Is this dogwood?
What the heck?
Roommate.
Wait, who's your roommate? Wait, who's your roommate? Wearing the same outfit. Wow. No, I'm joking.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Put a little sugar in it.
Hats. What are you?
So today is May 8th. My voice sounds weird and I don't know why. Sounds deep. Just kidding. But we just presented and like it was just I don't even know what I say. Like when I'm up there, that shit goes blank. And I'm like, do I sound like I'm just talking gibberish right now?
Derek
Like
just asked me what is it like if what I said made sense, and I was like, I totally don't
no,
remember.
yeah, yours didn't make sense.
anything
I mean,
that I said.
yours didn't make sense because you had like an outline to go from, you know. I saw your hand shaking though. You were like, you know.
I just don't. That's why I said that I don't want to stand in the front of the class and then not in front of the podium because I don't know what to do with my hands when I speak.
I was like, oh no. Tay-Tay! Where are you? Run! 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 Hi! Hi! There's Tay! Donnie. I call her Donnie. Where is she? Oh.
Were you calling me from?
So what are we doing?
Packing.
Wow. How clean. Look. What a cleaner.
Yep. Once a year.
We are done cleaning for now. And packing.
What a relief.
We're going to eat now. How do you feel? It's our kind of our last meal together. No answer, no comment.
No comment from this public.
Okay,
So-
today is May 9th. Our last cognitive psych class. I feel like we have that every day, to be honest, but you know. But only class, our quiz. Kathy, say hi.
Hi.
How was class? How was your final?
Rough, man. But I'm glad I'm
I
done.
heard. Says you were gonna drop off your book bag and you didn't.
Not yet. I'm under pressure. When we just talked about the
We're walking back to school. Woo! Woo! Your turn.
No, I'm joking. I don't know if you can
Oh
do that.
shit.
How do you feel?
Weird. What a strip of the bed.
Right now, I am going to class to drop off my paper, and I'll be done for, well, my class is just up tomorrow, and I have a presentation for computers, so. So funny. Taylor's leaving.
I know, so sad.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, what a dark
Ooh. Don't cry. Else, don't do that. Don't do that. I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too. Oh, suck it is.
So this is the last day I'm doing laundry. It's just drying up here, so yeah. This is so sad. Taylor's side is so empty. Well, there's my stuff, but trash. Swifter, that's so sad. This is my side so far. Everything's pretty much over. So today is May 10th, and I am cleaning up my room. I woke up early. Took off the sheets off my bed. I started organizing more, and now I'm gonna go to class just to go to class with Danielle. So I'm gonna go get her in her room, and then we're gonna go. Hey, sweeties. Hi. Where's my purse? I don't know. Where would he go? This is sad because I am not moving out yet. Well, we have all the stuff, but I still have class. What time is it? Like 12 something, almost 1.
It is
But I have to,
12:54.
yeah, I have to check out at 2:15. And then I have class at 2:25 to present. So, and then they're gonna be waiting for me.
You okay?
They're up there.
How deep?
Oh, this is.
It's empty?
This whole room is empty now.